In the last video, we have already covered apply functions in R. But with apply functions, we have more functions which comes under R family of functions. So they are L apply, S apply, T apply, and V apply. So these functions usually have apply in their name. They used to apply a specific function to each row or column to R objects, and they are much more helpful than a for or while loops. So to get started off with apply family of functions, we may require a data set. So we will import data set directly from online. So in the Google, you can just do UCI repository. Okay, so we have just gone to the first link. Just do Control F and just go and search for flags. Okay, just go to view all data sets and we'll see for the flags data set. Control F and yeah, flags. So make sure the data set is having 194 rows and 30 columns. Then go to data folder. The data which may require is the flag data. So this is the data set separated by commas, and as you can see over here there are no column headers. So just copy this link. We'll deal with column headers later. Just to copy, go to R, let's create. So while importing data from online, you just put a double quotes, paste your link, just do Control Enter. As you can see, it has been imported. Now I want to read the data from repository and create a data frame. Let me just add a hashtag, just a sec. Let me just add a heading over here. Apply functions. Head over create data frame. Saving your work. Let's create a data frame called flags. So we will use read dot table. For timing, you can just copy this thing. Put x comma header. Okay, so it's table, not tab. Table, comma header equals to false, because if you put header equals to true, so your first row will be considered as the column header, which we don't want, comma separated by commas. Let's hit Control Enter. So it's done. Here you can see flags, 194 observations of 30 variables. Let's see this data. Here you can see V1, V2, V3, because since we are not having any column headers, so R assigns these column headers by default. We will deal with this column headers in the next video.